1.5 cup of flour, 3/4 cups of cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of sugar, you can use brown sugar too, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon baking powder. Now after mixing the ingredients together, it's time to make my dough. I'm using milk. You can use water too, makes no difference. You just have to make sure it's cold water or cold milk you're using to make your dough. Add your liquid a little at a time until it's formed into a dough. It takes about half cup of liquid to make the dough, but if it needs more water, you add like a teaspoon at a time until you get the dough together. If you happen to add too much liquid, just sprinkle your dough with some flour until it's not too sticky. Now it's time to shape my festival. I take a piece of dough, roll it in my hands, and then press until it looks something like this. Get your oil hot on medium heat and fry your festival until they're golden brown on both sides. When your festival is done frying, put them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. This festival is really delicious on its own, but it also goes well with jerk chicken. Here I serve my jerk chicken with festival. You can check out my last video for the recipe on how to make jerk chicken. You can eat festival with whichever protein you see fit. Here I made festival for breakfast along with sausage and egg. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.